This is how this thing compares, how it compares, right there. Sometimes even brilliance needs a helping hand. Stu Sjouwerman, the CEO of KnowBe4, the world's leading security awareness training company. We work together on the KnowBe4 brand, on the prior company's brand, and we've had some great successes together. It's all been fantastic. So when I saw this book here is what Stu put out. I was aware of it not too long ago, and I got the book. I loved it. Because one of the things that I love about Stu as a leader and as a CEO is he's remarkably simple, generous, smart, strategic, but above all, incredibly gracious. Even this book was a continuing example of his graciousness because it really goes over everything that he's done to create the kind of culture that he has that is a global organization with an amazing team and an amazing culture. But when I saw this, I called up Stu and I said, Stu, you have gems in here. This should be being quoted by leaders around the world. This should be a reference book. This should be something that's amazing because he absolutely has great, actionable, wonderful, wonderful things that are just fantastically simple, showing how you handle, traffic and how you handle different elements of interaction and how you resolve problems and how you work together to make each other stronger and greater than the sum of the parts. So that's what happened. I saw that and I told Stu, I said, Stu, this doesn't do justice to what you have inside this. This should be more. It is more. And so we talked about it. He goes, okay, what's involved? And I said, okay, this is what's involved. Da, 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 da. So we went ahead and did it. So it went from this to this. Of the book. This is the book. This is how this thing compares, right there. And all that kind of stuff, but also presentation. So you have this. Didn't have any visuals in it, really. Didn't, it was text. Okay, fine. So I did this. And what we did is this. So I'm going to show you. This is how this is designed. Okay, this is the book. So right here, I'm going to show you some things so you can actually get a sense of the book and how it works out. So this was designed, so this is really easy to read, easy to digest, with highlighted points in the book itself. So you really get to see and feel and enjoy and feel and just rewarding the reader. And what you see here, and it was all based on the Bauhaus School of Design. That just shows you how this looks and works right there. So you get the sense of the look and the feel and the design and the aesthetic. And it just continues throughout. It's not a cookie cutter thing. It just really adds power to the concepts so that these are now quotable, referenceable, usable. And that just gives you a sense. That's the difference. Same content, different presentation. Bang, and there's Stu himself, the man. So that is an example of making sure that you do presentation so it really makes the maximum type of impact. And this has just been really gorgeously received, and it just works. And it's distinctive, it's unforgettable. There it is. So that's the kind of thing that I'm talking about. The Knowster Playbook, because KnowBe4 is the CEO of KnowBe4. That's the deal. I wanted to share this with you because I'm so proud of Stu. I'm so proud of our collaboration. And I love clients, my comrades, my fellow rebels who just say, you know what? Why the hell not? Let's do something extraordinary. And that's what this is about. So congratulations to Stu and all the team at KnowBe4. And this is how you make a message that people will not be able to forget. All right. Thanks, guys. Talk soon.